Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Infiniti QX50 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, the link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to prep the headlight. So all you need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens, and with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. Okay, so now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film, and just place the film onto the headlight. The first thing we're going to do is align this section of the tint to this edge of the headlight. So once we have it aligned on the edge, we're going to tack it down with our tack solution. So just apply it underneath and on top of the film. That way, as we're aligning it, we could tack it down with our squeegee. So make sure you anchor this section of the film first. Secure it until it's not moving anymore. That way we can work our way to the rest of the headlight. Okay, now that we have this section secured, now we can continue on with the rest of the film. So with this one, we're going to need to stretch the film until it reaches to this edge. And as we're stretching, we're going to help it tack down. So stretch it up to the edge. And the fingers that you had here are going to shrink as you stretch the film. One thing you can do in order to help the stretching process is applying Slip Solution to the lens. That way it's more easier to stretch the film. Make sure this area is dry and just stretch it until you reach it to the edge. So now most of the fingers are gone, and now we need to tack down this section so that way it anchors, and then we work in the middle section here. So lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Now that we have this secured, we're going to break down each finger, help them tack down with heat and tack solution. So apply a little bit of tack solution and then heat. Just bring the film down just a little bit in order to have coverage on the bottom, and then start tagging down little by little. And you just repeat this process until you remove all the fingers. Just continue applying tack solution and heat, help shrink the fingers, and then we'll tack them down. With this one, you could wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and just help it tack down at an angle. And do the same for the other side. Okay, as you can see now, this section is completely tacked down. There's no fingers and everything's smooth. So just repeat the process for the top. And once you finish with the headlight, the last thing to do is to post heat. So for this one, in order to post heat the film, just apply tack solution all over the headlight and apply heat to the entire headlight. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it stays secure to the headlight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help it tack down a little bit more faster by applying a little bit more pressure, and then also removing any solution that may still be trapped underneath the film. So take your time as you're doing this. Make sure you go all around the headlight, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design, As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Infiniti QX50. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.